Introducing the brand new Woof Wear Trailer Camera, a fully portable, completely self-contained system that comes with everything you need straight out of the box. No phone, no pairing, no wiring are required. Setting up couldn't be easier. Simply attach the high gain antenna to the camera and switch it on, and it's ready to use. Mount it anywhere inside your trailer using the super strong magnetic base. Want to attach it to a non-metal surface? No problem. The kit includes 2 metal plates with hook and loop. Just peel, stick, and you're set. Next, set up your monitor by attaching the antenna and sliding on the windscreen mount. It's super simple to set up your monitor. Click in the cables and plug the power lead into your vehicle's cigarette lighter outlet. Then attach the high suction mount to your windscreen. And with one click of a button, you're ready to go. Now all that's left is to load your horse and head out on the road with confidence. The 5-inch monitor gives you an instant, dependable view with a wide 150-degree angle, crisp HD footage, and infrared capability for clear visibility day or night. Powered directly from your vehicle, it delivers stress-free safety on every journey. The camera boasts extended power performance with a minimum of 12 hours runtime, a reliable long-range signal up to 100 meters, and a high-speed 2.4 GHz chip transmission for real-time video clarity. With dual charging options including solar power and USB-C, plus an IP69 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand rain, dust, and the toughest travel conditions. When you arrive at your destination, the portable design allows you to reposition the camera instantly to use as a reversing camera for the perfect parking. And when the job's done, the entire system packs neatly into the durable, compact hard case for easy storage and transport. The Woof Wear Trailer Camera, quick to set up, effortless to use, and designed to give you peace of mind on every journey.